Hi guys, welcome to the very first episode of Drama Fired Fan Zone, where we invite some die-hard IPL fans and talk to them about their team that they support in the Indian Premier League. And with me is one such fan today, Mr. Asif. Hi Asif.
Hi,
Good, thanks. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you very much.
I just want you to tell me which team in the IPL have you been supporting?
Well, KKR, not only today, I'm supporting, I'll say, if you'll ask me, I'm a fan of KKR since the beginning. I think they're not very, if you'll see the team-wise, yes, they're always very balanced team. They don't have aggressive players, but if you see, they have a good bowlers and good batsmen all the time. So this is the reason, and I've seen in every IPL matches, yes, you don't see them aggressive like Mumbai Indian and other teams, but yeah, they do play good cricket and they know how to achieve the targets which they have, and yeah, overall, yes, I support always KKR. Yes.
Okay, but this is T20 cricket. It's one of the most short form of cricket that we have in modern day. So maybe a lot of experts say that aggression is what is required. It's the need of the hour, especially when you're focusing on a short format like this. So if you're not showing any aggression, maybe that can go against you as a team.
Well, I know, but see, IPL is a short form, right? People, they have to play with the mindset of the bowlers as well. What ball, what to score on what stage of time. If you see recent matches of IPL 2020, if you see yesterday, in the beginning, you've seen the CSK players. In the beginning, they play very normal cricket, which you have not seen CSK player playing like those on wicket actually. But if you see in the last session of the match, they've come out and scored very well. So it's not aggression. It is, you have to see the overall match. How do you require on what bowler you have to target. So this is how overall I'll say IPL or T20 or 2020 is. I know there are many players. You see them, they play very slow in the beginning. Same like Du Plessis yesterday. If you see in the beginning, he played very slow. But once I think you see his other partner who's aggressive, experienced like Dhoni, he gave him a chance to score. Until Du Plessis was on a wicket, Dhoni was playing very slow. Once Du Plessis left, you've seen Dhoni's game as well. So this is, I see, overall T20 game. Yeah. This is how you play, with the mindset of the bowlers, against you. So this is, I'll say, I know it's a match of aggression because you have it's a short format game. You have only 20 overs. But in 20 overs, people in 5 overs, a team, they score 70 runs. Yeah. Like you have seen many examples yesterday. Yeah. Same Archer, he did almost 29 runs. Yes.
No, you're absolutely right. The format may be short, but definitely you have to play some sensible cricket. You just cannot go out there and show aggression unnecessarily. And like you rightly said, the pitches are a bit slow in the UAE, so batsmen are taking their own time to settle in a bit, and that's when they're going for bigger runs. Is that what looks to be KKR strategy also?
Well, I'm somehow will agree with you, but the Indian players, because of course it's IPL, so you see 70% of the Indian players, they are used to play on their own pitches, which are batting pitch, right? Whereas versus if you see Dubai pitch, or Sharjah or Abu Dhabi, they are not high scoring pitches all the time in the past history as well. But now they are playing I think after 2014 because they had one session in 2014. So maybe you'll see, if you see what I have also noticed, the grounds are a little shorter now, right?
At least in Sharjah. Yesterday, that's why it was raining sixes.
Yeah, grounds are a little shorter. This is the reason now you could see, more, I'll say, I know there's no, you see more, sixes or fours coming out. Yeah. Now every batsman, if you see 73 or 70% of their score are boundaries, right?
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. I think from the news that we've got, the BCCI has categorically told the curators of the Emirates Cricket Board to make the pitches somewhat batting friendly, so the games are higher scoring, so you see a lot of sixes and fours. there's an entertainment, a huge entertainment element that's missing from the IPL, which are cheerleaders. The crowds are not coming in, so they need to make the game interesting. Maybe that's why.
Well, see, this is how the T20 format is. You know, the people, they come to watch fireworks, right? If there is no fireworks, people do not enjoy. So this is the reason they try to make these, I'll say, batting-friendly pitches to make sure you have a high score. When you have high score, you know, it is good for the opposite party to make sure they also bat in the same format actually how the opponent party has batted first, right? So you have also must have seen in the past there are some scores even 130 were difficult to achieve, right, in T20 format. But now since it's IPL has come here, so they have tried to build I'll say batting friendly pitches. So you may see them. I was thinking in the beginning maybe in these pitches you may score 150, 160 will be exactly yes. But now yes exactly. We saw high scoring matches. Not only this, if you see others as well, those were all 180, 190 scores matches. So
even the game today, Mumbai Indians versus KKR, is 193. Anyways, Asif, coming back to your team, KKR, which one player would you say is your best performer who can win KKR a game at any given day?
It is Russell Arnold actually. He is all-time favorite not for me, for everybody. He's the man who can take away the match from any team, right? So I still see. I know maybe he didn't ball good actually, because if you see every bowler has given away big numbers of big runs. But when it comes to the batting, he has a batting power. He has,
He's a brilliant all-rounder. I'm also a huge fan of his. One more question before I finally let you go. Which team in particular do you think can give a tough time to KKR?
Well, I think they are all. I'll say they're all good team, right? And if you've seen in the past KKR, I think they lost against every team, right? Even the low-scoring matches also, they lost in many of the past matches. But KKR, I don't think it is. I see any weak team against KKR. All the team are very aggressive, very balanced, and KKR have a potential right to any target. If you see in their team as well, now they have Morgan, they have Russell Arnold, they have Karthik, right? They are all big time hitters, right? They can take away game from any team actually, whether it is Chennai Super King, Royal Challenge Bangalore, or Royal Challenge any Royal Rajasthan Royal, right? So they can take away match from any team. So I'll say they are good. I think balanced team which has aggression as well as calmness, both.
Right, really quickly now, chances of KKR winning the IPL 2020?
Well, winning
it's too early to say?
Too early to say because now it's just started, right? If you see, yesterday match, not particularly about, I'm talking about KKR, you know how, because what I have observed Dhoni, right? If you see Dhoni yesterday's match, from the beginning, because if you see CSK's history, right? I know you asked me a question for CSK's, KKR, but if you see the history of CSK, they lose many matches in the beginning. But in the depth, they bounce back. Why do they bounce back? If you see Dhoni as well, what I observe, he sees every player in the beginning. He sees exactly study. Then he bring his own team, or let's say the players in the last 7 or 8 matches to make sure they achieve. They are I think heading exactly on the table, right? This is how the I'll say the T20 format is. It is depend on your captaincy. It's depend on the talent on the team you have, how you use them timely, right? Sometimes people they change their orders, right? Why? Because it's the time, when the time require of this batsman to come. So I see the KKR has a balanced team, and they really have this year as well. I'll say a team who can reach into the playoffs for sure. Actually, yes.
Right, Asif. Nice talking to you. Thank you so much for your time, and I wish KKR all the best.